In January and February, I launched challenge number 1. And then I did a challenge for people who want to finally land a client or multiple clients in their agency. I was invited by GoHighLevel, which has hundreds of thousands of followers, to teach their audience on how to do it themselves. And the results were miraculous. And so on my YouTube channel, I want to invite you for challenge number 2. But guess what we're going to call this? This is going to be a 5-day boot camp, because you know what I realized about challenges? A lot of times they're fluff. What does that mean? That means there's no real actionable items for you to do to actually get results in a very short amount of time. And so pay attention to my YouTube channel, because starting July 8th at 7 p.m., I will post video number 1, and I'll show you the entire itinerary of the entire week. Now, in order to do it, you need to sign up for it. But here's what I'm going to do different that nobody does. And I'm going to do this different for you, so you can actually have time to implement, ask questions, have a group that will help you out, and then be rewarded with not only sales and clients, but with prizes that we're going to give you for doing what you kind of should be doing anyway, but hoping that this will motivate you to push that snowball up the hill and get it over the top. And so July 8th to the 12th, every day I will be posting on my YouTube channel 5 videos every day, 7 p.m. And I'm going to be leaving you with action items. And then in addition to that, the following week, we're going to be running a contest for who lands the most amount of clients. All the instructions will be explained to you explicitly on Monday in addition to the training. Make sure you like and subscribe this video and turn your notifications on so you do not miss this. So let's jump on my screen right now and let me show you exactly how this is going to work. So as you can see on my screen, I literally just finished building this page in GoHighLevel. And so the first thing that you need to do is sign up for the bootcamp. Go through this survey, sign up for it, answer the questions honestly, okay? You need to sign up for this, all right? So you need to sign up for it to be eligible to win a sales contest, all right? Everybody on the planet could watch this 5-day bootcamp, but in order to be eligible, you need to sign up before July 8th, okay? Here's our chances to win: free access to our coaching program, $150 or $350 cash, or a free one-on-one call. All right. So if 4 people all land the same amount of clients and they were the top clients, we're going to have to do is spin the wheel to see who gets what. Okay. And so you're going to be able to learn how to land clients and get paid effortlessly the way we've been teaching it for so many years and over 8,000 people. And so here's what's covered. July 8th, what niche and service is most profitable? Again, go to getclientchallenge.com. Didn't feel like changing the URL to the boot camp this time. And then you'll see exactly what the itinerary is. Then building your right offer, attracting the right clients and closing them, optimizing and fulfilling on your business and the services that you're providing, how to be at that 1% agency, because only 1% of people will actually do the accountability. And then during this bonus week, July 15th to the 19th, we will have 4 contest winners of who lands the most amount of clients. Hell, maybe I'll even make it 5 or 6 winners. Let's see how the week goes, okay? And then these are just a few of the case studies. Here's a very important piece. You need to be in my Future Agencies school group, school.com/future agencies. This is where you will be posting your wins during the boot camp, okay? So you need to be in here. Plus, we're going to have moderators in here. Jason and I will be in here to answer questions. And so it won't be in a general discussion. This will be in a boot camp category, okay? We're going to keep it separate, but you need to get access to school.com/future agencies. All the wins were here. And let me just share with you a common contest that we run in our own coaching program. Yes, they get, these people have in-depth trainings, much more than I can get through in 5 days. However, the foundations is what I'm going to go through, and people only need the foundations to land clients. That I can promise, because I see it all the time. People land clients within the first week or two, not always, right? Look at my earnings disclaimer. I'm not saying you're going to land client. I'm not going to say you're going to make money. Disclaimer, please guys, like, the way the world is now, we have to say disclaimer. All right. But I can promise that you're going to be way farther along. And I can also promise that people will land clients. Okay. But I'm just not going to promise you will. All right, cool. So let me just jump over here. So typically we run sales contests in our coaching program every quarter. You can see Don landed 10 new clients, 13,542. I'm not saying you're going to do that. These results aren't typical, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Let me just, I'm just going to stop on one. Matt landed a $500 client on LinkedIn. Mai landed a $1,650 per month retainer. Jesse landed 1,921 CAD. Mai, another 1,650. Here's 1,045 from Josh. And so in our coaching program, we run sales contests every quarter, usually. And so you get the point of what could happen during a sales contest. Sign up below. Go to getclientchallenge.com. Getclientchallenge.com. Again, it's a boot camp. I just didn't feel like changing the URL. Can't wait for Monday. You'll see at 7 p.m. when I post that first video. Like, subscribe, turn the notifications on, or you're going to get lost during this process. GetClientChallenge.com. Enjoy the 4th of July, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.